I've had my eyes set on drawing this Digimon for like, well, a few months actually. I did. Yeah. Tonight we're gonna draw zeedgarurumon. A heavy metal steel type Digimon. Alexa, play Your Adventure by Silver Storm.
Here's Your Adventure from Pokemon Sun and Moon by Silver Storm on Amazon Music.
Don't you be afraid of what you've never seen. Now, future hero, run with the wind, discover all that you can be. I can tell you've been spending all your time outside in the sunlight. Even if you fall and your clothes get a little bit dirty, it suits you, I think it just feels right. Now sometimes it's okay if we just let it all out. Soon enough the sun will help you get rid of your doubt. Learning brand new things out in the daylight, playing with my friends under the moonlight. Let's always chase the rainbow wing we see in the sky. We will stick together, I will make it so that we're always a team. Thanks to you, I know I'll always believe in my dream. Don't you be afraid of what you've never seen. Now, future hero, run with the wind, discover all that you can be. Never let it go, keep it in your heart, that dream you hold inside. Now, I can see that you're ready to go and reach for the sky. I hope you know what you leave behind isn't gone, so don't ever look back, and let's move on. It's been a while since I saw you last. Have you grown a little taller? Always great to see that no matter what happens, your smile never ever falters. So your eyes have a twinkle just like the stars up in the sky. I remember seeing them with you right by my side. Laughing when we end up going astray, crying even though it's now a new day. Following the silver wind will show us the way. We will stick together, I will follow your lead every single day. Now I know I won't give up, I won't run away. Don't you be afraid of what you've never seen. Now, future hero, run with the wind, discover all that you can be. Never let it go, keep it in your heart, that dream you hold inside. Now, I can see that you're ready to go and reach for the sky. You understand, only you decide, and know your adventure will begin, and you'll be fine. Everyone sometimes has some bad days. Everything that sometimes seems so far away, and still I see a fire inside. I know you're ready, just looking in your eyes. Don't you be afraid of
Here's his
what
cannon.
you've never seen. Now, future hero, run with the wind, discover all that you can be. Don't you be afraid of what you've never seen. Now, future hero, run with the wind, discover all that you can be. Never let it go, keep it in your heart, that dream you hold inside. Now, I can see that you're ready to go and reach for the sky. I hope you know what you leave behind isn't gone, so don't ever look back, and let's move on.
Here's his ultrasonic laser cannon. Alexa, play Battle Frontier by Nick.
Here's Battle Frontier by Pokemon on Amazon Music.
Pokemon! It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You got the right stuff, so make your mind up. Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. The power's in your hand. Pokemon. You've got the strength to win it, so stay in it. If you're smart, you can take it all. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. It's the master plan. The power's in your hand. Pokemon.
Alright, that takes care of that. Now let's draw the tail. Alexa, play Battle Frontier by Silver Storm.
Battle Frontier by Silver Storm on Amazon Music.
It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You've got the right stuff, so make your mind up. Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle
And finish.
frontier.
That is how you draw Zeed Millenniumon.
You can be and find your destiny.
Perfect.
It's the
One of my favorite Digimon that I've
powers in
finally got to complete. Victory Greymon is now complete, along with him. This one is now on my finished checklist. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.